Alright, so wow. Oh, okay. That was a disaster. That was good.
Oh my god, another disaster coming.
Hey guys, we've come to Windsor today to do some water activities. So we hope you enjoy this video. Please do subscribe and don't forget to like. And all the links to the places we've been to are in the description below. Thanks a lot. So we begin our journey at the boat hire place, and we'll be making our way down the Thames to the backwaters, doing a loop round and then back to where we started. So, wow, okay. That was a disaster. That was good.
Oh my god, another disaster coming. Mind your head.
Alright, we're gonna have to duck and we're gonna hit that and we hit the ground. Good, okay.
Out of the danger now. Let's go moving.
Alright, so we're out and about in Windsor doing some kayaking because we had a day off and we thought it would be good fun. And it's going well so far. We've hit pretty much everything down the River Thames that we could, but we've come to this very lovely secluded spot and it's quite nice and quiet. So we've hit some stinging nettles. Good, okay.
Oh my god, mind your head.
Okay, so we've kind of beached ourselves amongst some trees here. We've taken the backwaters down the River Thames. You'll see on the map which way we've come. And we just thought we'd take a bit of a breather here because it's quite nice and peaceful, away from the hustle and bustle of the city. And I'll now show you how Jalli gets us out of this.
Go back.
Alright, this is not working out well, is it?
So it's not. Okay, if I do like this, maybe we can go in reverse. Oh yeah, it works.
Now go forward. That's the one. Yep. Okay, so we've got a visitor traveling with us.
Hold on.
He's wondering who we are. Maybe he wants to come kayaking. He's got his own momentum. Alright, so upwards and onwards. Are you taking us? Alright, so we're at the end and you can see that's Windsor Castle. So we're going to get onto this thing now, paddle boat. There's the paddles. Jalli's going first. We're just waiting in line to have our turn at the dock. You ready to go?
No, don't move.
Cheers.
Really?
I don't think the photo is. I don't think the video is.
Karushu.
Is it video?
Yeah, yeah. We are 17 seconds.
Hello.